What people? Welcome back to our channel Cooking with Remo Jet. Yes, I'm back again in the kitchen and today we're gonna make some sardine and coconut milk seasoned rice. Yes, people, some sardine and coconut milk seasoned rice we're gonna make today. So without further ado, let's get into this video and make this nice and wonderful meal. Yeah, man. Yes, people, I got some onion that I went ahead and dice up, and I got some green onion or scallion that we call it, and some thyme. Yes, people. Now, get my sardine. Yes, people. Nice and good. Okay. Let's go ahead and smash this out. Nothing. Yes, mix it up. Just like this. Okay. Let's go ahead and some oil to the pot. Yes, people. Now let's get up. Okay. Go ahead and add in the sardine. Yes, you can get everything in here. So let's go ahead and add in some black pepper. Also, yes, people. Some chicken seasoning. Yes, people, it's gonna be so good, so amazing. You definitely want to try that. Trust me. Also, I'm going to add in some lemon. You can go ahead and not use the noodle if you don't want to. If you don't want to use the noodle in there. But I am using it. Oh, add a little bit more oil. Okay. Yes, people. Okay, now we'll go ahead and add in my rice. Yes, people, let's get this in the pot. Okay, well, now I'm going to go ahead and stir the rice. Get all those seasoning on the rice. Yes, people. Stir it full. go ahead and add some water. Some water. Yes, people. Now, my coconut milk. Shake it up before I add it in. Make sure you shake up your coconut milk before you put it in. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. Yes, people, oh my god, this is gonna be so good. So amazing. Let's go ahead and stir the rice up. Oh my god. So, turn your stove down and go ahead and cover it up as soon as I turn my cover. Yes, people. Okay, people, let's go ahead and check on it. Yes, people, look at this. So good, so amazing, people. So then go ahead and cover it back up and let it dry down some more and it should be done, people. Yes, people. Yes, people, it's not some nice and wonderful sardine with coconut milk, seasoned with rice. So we'll do it around here. Until next time, like, comment, share, most definitely subscribe, and I must definitely get you next one. Until next time, I'm out of here.